Hi, it's Elizabeth from Siimple. I just wanted to personally thank you for signing up and quickly checking to see if you had any trouble customizing your site or launching it. I also want to share a couple of updates we've just made to the editor. So if you're just creating your site for the first time and you see the create a new site page here, remember that you can choose any one of these themes here and try them out completely for free. You'll be able to customize it, put in all of your content, and then switch out to preview these different themes, and you won't lose any of your content. So you can start with any one of these. I'm going to start with cards, and we can name our website. Let's say just new website, and then hit next. And then the demo content will load up and you can start customizing it. And once you do, click on design and you'll get to choose any other theme from the theme dropdowns. So if you've purchased a theme, you'll be able to see the ones you've purchased here too. It'll say owned, otherwise you'll see the price, but you can try them all out. It's just as easy as clicking on it. And then for Enso, we've recently just released some new layouts. Click on the edit header section and then choose a layout. We've got boxes, we've got this stripe style, and then circles, and then you can just add your image in. And just like that, it creates that graphic for you. And so when you're ready to publish your site and go live, you can upgrade to publish. And this lets you purchase your theme for a one-time fee and then start your $10 a month subscription to the Siimple platform. Now, remember, the cool thing about Siimple is that once you purchase this theme once, you can use it forever across all of your sites and you never have to buy it again. So click on upgrade now and you'll see the pricing checkout here. And if you have a promo code, you can add it right here. Make sure that you click apply to apply it and then check out. So if you already have a theme or you just want to purchase another one, you can also go to the shop and click on themes. And then you'll be able to see all of the themes you already own as well as new ones that you can buy. And then you can just click on purchase from right here. And then in the checkout, you'll see just the price of that theme. So if we have a theme sale or something like that and you just want to grab a theme, you can just purchase that before you launch your site and start your site subscription. So I hope that makes sense and makes it easier for you to check out. If you have any questions at all, just reply to this email. I'm here to help. Thanks a lot.